Castor oil's use in medicine and skincare dates back centuries. The castor plant, scientifically known as Ricinus communis, yields seeds that are rich in a unique type of fatty acid called ricinoleic acid. This compound is the primary reason behind castor oil's remarkable healing properties. Furthermore, castor oil contains undecylenic acid, which is known for its potent antifungal effects. In contemporary times, medicine recognizes castor oil not just as a traditional herbal remedy, but as a substantial contributor to various treatments. Its high fatty acid content makes it an excellent moisturizer, capable of penetrating deep into the skin to provide hydration and nourishment. Let's look at 5 recipes using castor oil for foot care. Castor oil and Epsom salt foot soak. Half a cup Epsom salt. 2 tablespoons pure castor oil. 5 drops of lavender essential oil. And warm water. Fill a basin with warm water, enough to cover your feet. Add Epsom salt and stir until dissolved. Mix in the castor oil and lavender essential oil. Soak your feet for 15-20 minutes. Pat dry and massage a small amount of castor oil directly onto your feet. Use this foot soak 2 to 3 times a week, especially after a long day. It's particularly beneficial for those with achy, swollen feet or dealing with foot pain. The Epsom salt helps to relax tired muscles and reduce swelling, while also softening tough skin. When you apply castor oil after the soak, it penetrates better into the softened skin, deeply moisturizing and soothing any inflammation. The optional lavender oil adds a calming scent and can help you relax. Castor oil and coconut oil heel balm. 2 tablespoons castor oil. 2 tablespoons coconut oil. 1 tablespoon beeswax pellets. 5 drops of tea tree essential oil. Melt beeswax in a double boiler. Once melted, add castor oil and coconut oil. Stir until combined. Remove from heat and add tea tree oil. Pour into a small jar and let it cool until solidified. Apply a generous amount of this balm to your heels and any other dry areas of your feet each night. Wear socks to avoid staining your sheets. This treatment is excellent for those with severely dry, cracked heels. Castor oil's deep moisturizing properties work in harmony with coconut oil, which is also known for its hydrating and antimicrobial effects. The beeswax forms a protective barrier, locking in moisture and helping to heal cracks and fissures. Tea tree oil, like castor oil, has antifungal properties, making this balm suitable for preventing fungal infections. Castor oil and sea salt foot scrub. 1 4-cup sea salt, coarse. 2 tablespoons castor oil. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 tablespoon honey. 3 drops of peppermint essential oil. In a bowl, mix sea salt, castor oil, and olive oil. Add honey and peppermint oil. Stir well. If the mixture is too thick, add more olive oil. In the shower or over a towel, take a handful of the scrub and massage it onto damp feet, focusing on rough areas like heels and soles. Rinse off and pat dry. Follow up by massaging a small amount of pure castor oil into your feet. Use this scrub once a week. The coarse sea salt exfoliates dead skin cells, helping to smooth rough patches and calluses. When you apply castor oil in this scrub and afterwards, it deeply nourishes the newly exposed skin layers. Honey is a natural humectant, attracting moisture to the skin, while peppermint oil provides a cooling sensation that can help soothe tired, achy feet. Castor oil and neem oil antifungal treatment. 3 tablespoons castor oil. 1 tablespoon neem oil, 5 drops of oregano essential oil, cotton pads, mix castor oil, neem oil, and oregano oil in a small bottle. Shake well before each use. At night, use a cotton pad to apply this oil blend between your toes, on your soles, and anywhere you have signs of fungal infection, like athlete's foot, or are prone to such issues. Pay special attention to your toenails if you have a fungal infection there. Wear socks overnight. Use this treatment daily until the infection clears, then 2 to 3 times a week for prevention. This potent blend harnesses the antifungal powers of multiple oils. Castor oil's undesolenic acid is a strong fungus fighter, particularly effective against conditions like athlete's foot. Neem oil is widely recognized in traditional medicine for its robust antifungal and antibacterial properties. Oregano oil adds another layer of antifungal action. Together, they work to treat existing infections and prevent new ones. Castor oil and shea butter foot cream. 2 tablespoons castor oil, 2 tablespoons shea butter, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 10 drops of chamomile essential oil, 1 vitamin E capsule, optional. Melt shea butter in a double boiler. Remove from heat, add castor oil, and stir. Once slightly cooled, mix in aloe vera gel and chamomile oil. If using, puncture the vitamin E capsule and squeeze in the oil. Whip the mixture with a hand mixer until creamy. Transfer to a jar. Apply this cream to your feet every night, massaging it well into the skin. This is a fantastic all-round foot cream, particularly beneficial for those with dry, irritated, or inflamed skin. Shea butter is rich in vitamins A and E, providing deep hydration without greasiness. When combined with castor oil's moisturizing fatty acids, it creates a powerhouse cream for dry, damaged foot skin. Aloe vera soothes irritation and promotes skin healing, making this cream suitable for blistered or inflamed feet. Chamomile oil has calming properties that can help relax tired feet and reduce redness. The optional vitamin E boosts the cream's moisturizing and healing effects,